No, I've had one.
But you fucked her off. So to fuck off.
Yeah.
Hiya, what's you mean?
She got tired of me.
She got scruffy fanny.
She said I used to fart in bed.
Oh, is he now?
There you are then.
Have you got a small pecker?
Aye.
Have you got pubes?
There's one for you.
Get your pits out. Fucking head, I've video recording me.
Fuck off, I know, come.
Can I lick your sweaty pits? Have you got sweaty pits?
No what?
Got sweaty pits?
Where is it?
Billy. Hey, what's you mean?
Bullseye again.
Bullseye! Oi, man, look round. Oi, man. Turn round.
Pete.
Pete.
Come on, be a gut.
Pete Holiday, turn round.
See that?
Nah.
How could you not tell you I was out there because you're not. What you was in